What's up YouTube? It's your boy Tyrek here with another video for you all. Now with this video, I'm about to prank my little bro. I'm gonna do a pass out. Prank on him. I'm whispering right now. I told him I want to do a video with him. You understand me? And I set up outside already. The couch or normal see every video. Set up that. He's out there playing on his tablets. And I'm gonna just tell him I want to do a video. I'm gonna pretend to be passed out and just get his reaction. So touch the like button and let's go. And the reason why I haven't been posting regular is because I'm watching Game of Thrones. I started from season 1. I'm now at season 6. Currently, season 6 episode. What episode range? Episode 8. So I'm soon finishing. So we'll catch up for season 8. But let's go for the prank. No one I'm talking. Touch the like button and comment when the prank done. You understand me? These watching YouTube videos, guys. I'm gonna set up everything right now, okay? Ready for you to prank people forward. Do the prank right now. Hey then, ready to do the video now? Go and play, go and do it. I'm set up over here, so go and do it. I'm set up, okay? Sit good man, sit down right man. Make sure you're comfortable. You comfortable right there, sir? Yes. You sure? Yes. But you have to set my side too now. Okay? Remember some you need to sit down too. Can't take all the space. Okay, good. So, you know the intro? Or the intro now? What's up guys, it's your boy Tata here, back with another video. And we're with okay, what's that? Anyways, so what kind of video I want to do today?
I don't know.
No. What is that? You don't know? No. Come man, get the idea. Come, get the idea. We need to do a video. Come.
A music video.
Music video? Which song you want to sing? Something's making nice. Hold up. Hold up.
Come here.
Alright, ready. Music video. Which song you want to sing?
I love pets.
Right? Okay.
I love pets.
I what?
I love pets.
I love pets. Alright, come sing it then, no?
I don't care.
I don't care.
I love pets. I don't care. I don't care. I love pets. I don't care. I love pets. I don't care. I don't care.
Oh, I don't care. I love it. I don't care. So go.
I don't care.
Sorry, come in there for the comments video stand ready. I don't care. I love it.
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care.
Need some water. Can't pack a water go to in it.
Tyreek.
It's videoing.
Yeah.
What happened? Tell me what happened. What just happened?
You drink water and you follow the couch.
Really? That's what happened?
Yeah.
How long was I out for?
Uh,
Come on, listen. How long was I out for?
1 hour.
Basically, what does happen? Basically, what happened? So, I passed out. You didn't know what to do.
Nope.
What did you do first? What did you do first?
Well, I call your name at school.
Yeah.
Then you wake up.
And then you got what? Garlic? Who got what? Where did you get the idea? Who told that you should get garlic? Come on, come in the frame. Yeah, what you say now? So you get garlic.
Yeah.
What do you think it should? What's going to happen?
It would
Smell it and wake up.
Yeah.
Really? Garlic?
Yes.
You watch it in the cartoons. Most cartoons. Well, guys, as you can see, I passed out. I don't know the camera. I passed out and little boy didn't know how to act. So yeah, smile so man. Next time when I pass out, if you count me in a made, I say wake up, alright?
Yeah.
I put a stinking shoes on my nose. You hear me?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Remember, Anna?
Yeah.
Count me in my head.
Yeah.
Come say thank you for watching, guys.
Thank you for watching, guys.
I will see you in another video.
I'll see you in another video.
Peace out.
Peace out.
I think I'm gonna go play a game now. You see? That's all he wants to do is play his game. And watch YouTube, Roblox. What kind of videos I watch on YouTube? What kind of videos I watch on YouTube? Minecraft and Roblox. Who does that? Fortnite and Apex. The youngsters. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Okay, guys? Peace out.